these stairs here. This will be my exercise for the day, I think. Here in Albany, just walking up these stairs. There's quite a few of them. So yeah, get some exercise in. Okay, so we're nearly here. Wow, check it out, some more stairs. Australia and New Zealand, 1916 to 1918. Whew. I think I have to have a rest when I get up here. Wow. Okay, still not at the top yet. Check out the view. Oh, nice cool breeze. Wow, nice cool breeze up here. Wonderful day here in Albany. Oh wow, around Emu Point over there. Okay, a few more steps and we'll. Okay, so a few more steps to the lookout. Okay. Alright. Should be a better view up here. Okay. It's nearly at the top here now, the view. Oh, there you go. Middleton Beach over there. Emu Point over there. It's nice up there, the view. So the cruise ship come in twice, been in the cruise ship. I like Albany, it's great. Nice cool weather. You still get sunburn here, but so I'm probably getting sunburnt right now, not wearing a hat. So yeah, we're going to soldier on and check out more of Albany. 2014. Barnet. 2014. 16th of May.